Welcome to PicLearn. চলো একসাথে আনন্দের সাথে ইংরেজি শিখি। Let's start today's lesson. Family, পরিবার. We are a happy family. Father, Baba. I love my father. Mother, Ma.
Sweet dreams, my love.
My mother is kind.
I love you.
Brother, Bhai.
Careful, put it right there.
I play with my brother.
I got it. We did it.
Sister, born. She is my sweet sister. Grandfather, Dada.
See this little rabbit right here?
Grandfather
He was
tells
very
stories.
brave, and he wasn't afraid of the big dark forest at all.
Grandmother, Dadi. Grandmother hugs me. Uncle, Chacha. My uncle is funny. Aunt, Chachi.
This is for you, my dear. Happy birthday.
Aunt gives me a
Wow,
gift.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
Cousin, cousin.
I'm faster than you.
I run with my
Hurry
cousin.
up.
Parents, Baba Ma.
Ready, set, lift.
My parents love me.
Whee! Again.
Grandparents, Dada Dadi.
Grandma, Grandpa.
Oh, my
I visit my
sweetheart,
grandparents.
We miss you so much.
Son, Putro. He is my son. Daughter, Konna. She is my daughter. Baby, Shishu. The baby is sleeping. Siblings, Bhai Bon. We are siblings. Child, Shontan. The child is drinking milk. Children, Telemera.
Yay, this is so
The children are dancing.
faster. Happy birthday.
Relatives, Attiyo Shojon.
And then the fish jumped right
Relatives
into the water.
meet at home.
Cheers, everyone, to health and happiness.
Elder brother, Boro Bhai. My elder brother helps me. Younger brother, Choto Bhai. My younger brother is cute. Elder sister, Boro Bon.
Try putting the giraffe right
My
here.
elder sister is smart.
It fits. I did it.
Younger sister, Choto Bon.
Ready or not, here I
I play with my younger sister.
You found me.
Nephew, bhagne ba bhatija. My nephew is playing. Niece, bhagni ba bhatiji.
And the music
My
lifts me
niece
up
loves
so
to sing.
high, reaching for the stars across the sky.
Grandson, nati. The grandson is fishing. Granddaughter, natni.
That's it. Push it just like that.
Granddaughter is baking.
You're doing a wonderful job.
Friend, bondhu. My friend shares toys. Neighbor, protibeshi.
Hey
The neighbor
everyone,
waves
welcome
hello.
back to the garden. It's beautiful out here today.
Guest, otiti.
Ah, there you are.
The
Welcome.
guest
Please
is
come in
having
and join
tea.
me. I've just brewed some fresh tea. Help yourself to the biscuits.
Great job today! আজ আমরা খুব সুন্দরভাবে প্রথম অধ্যায় শেষ করলাম। See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.